Hello everyone, it's Richa here and I came up with the new video. As you can see the title, it's a haul video, okay? Are you guys done with the Spitzvilla wala drama?
मेरे आंखों से आंसू गिरे थे, रूरू तो सच्ची हो जाती है। मेरे आंखों से ना उस दिन आंसू गिरे थे जिस दिन मैंने रूरू को आई लव यू बोला था, जो कि मुझे
Can we move forward? ठीक है? Before I show you whatever I got, I wanna tell you about my style that I am a pretty basic, simple and feminine kind of a style I wear every single time. And makeup also, I never experimented too much with my makeup, like bold eye looks and bold lips. I never wear them because I just personally think that that's not me. But currently I wanted to experiment my style, so I bought few things that totally had a different vibe. Let's just start it. So the first thing I got is a pretty basic, simple, a white skirt. Girls are wearing cute top with this skirt. It's pretty cute. So I bought one for myself. माफ कर देना मुझे क्योंकि मैं अभी इनमें से कुछ भी पहन के नहीं दिखाने वाली because it's super duper hot. I just came back from a bank and so I'm not gonna wear and show you. I'm just gonna show you like this, okay? So it's a long white skirt and the fabric is nice. I got a call, but I'm not gonna pick the call. Super hot. Let me bring my water bottle here. कुछ दिन पहले I just ate lot of mangoes and one of my cousins said that eating a lot of mangoes which cause pimples. Is it true? Because I don't think so. I love mangoes, bhai. This is the season of mangoes. How can I not eat them? If I had a pimple, I'm okay with the pimples. Iron this and put it on. It looks super cute. बहुत प्यारी लगने वाली है. Outfit in my incoming reels. So just follow me on Instagram, okay? You better do it right now. Second thing I got is a hand style. भाई मैंने पता नहीं कितनी ही reels देख ली होंगी hand style की. कोई कुछ वाले hand style ले रहा है, कोई कुछ ले रहा है, कोई metals के ले रहा है, कोई glass, bubble. So chunky bangles, like some texture. It's like something like this. They look super duper cute though. And this one is a pretty simple, but it has a black blend with this. And the shape are quite like unusual, but they look pretty. I'll show you. This is how they are looking. Telling me, what? Did she tell you this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Put it back. Put it back into my bag. Bought something from Savannah also. I bought a top. I also see this on IG. Instagram Zindabad. ठीक है? Instagram पे ही देखा था मैंने. It's something like this. This is the top. If you can see, it's like a one-sided top. I got it. Guys, are you imagining the look? I am. So the fabric, bhai, I didn't expect the fabric to be this good. Pretty awesome. I got this for like 800 and for the hashtag मुझे इसका प्राइस अब याद नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे खोलने की इतनी चुन रही थी तो मैंने पहले ही खोल लिया था ये. तो इतनी मेरी मेमोरी तगड़ी नहीं है कि मुझे ये याद होगा. And the skirt I bought it from Meesho and it was something like 300 for the skirt. Also this I bought it from Meesho. I bought a t-shirt again from Savannah. Cost me like $600. I never wear in my entire life. तो इस बारी मेरे को कुछ ऐसे कलर्स लेने थे जो कि मैंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में कभी पहने नहीं हो. I wanted to experiment with my look. I wanted to wear things that I'm not really sure about them. So let's see if I like it or not. First of all, my first impression was like it's cool, it's giving the summer vibe. For my friends, जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं और वो लोग अगर इस वीडियो को देख रहे होंगे, आई नो कि मैं वो लड़की हूँ जो हर बारी बोलती है कि गर्मियों में should wear something light colors and I am gonna wear orange rather than wearing light colors. So it is something like this. And again, the fabric is nice on the side that give you the fitted look. I bought a belt. This is like 203. This is the belt. I personally bought this for everything. I'm not gonna wear this only with my long skirt. नहीं, मैं इसे सबके साथ में पहनने वाली हूँ. और जैसे कि मैंने बोला है कि मैं अगले 2-3 महीनों तक कुछ भी शॉपिंग नहीं करूंगी. इसका मतलब है मैं नहीं करूंगी, जिसकी वजह से मैं अपनी हर एक चीज को घिस घिस के यूज करने वाली हूँ. जब मैंने अपनी मम्मा को ये दिखाई थी, शी वाज लाइक कि ये कोई महाराजा वाली बेल्ट तुमने मंगा ली है. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक अ महाराजा वाली बेल्ट. इट्स प्रिटी. मेरी ये वाली वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अ शॉर्ट वीडियो, बट टाइम चलता ही जा रहा है. आई डोंट नो. आई बॉट हील्स. ठीक है, मैं हील्स बहुत कम पहनती हूँ क्योंकि आई थिंक मेरी 5'4" हाइट है. तो सब लोग मेरे को बोलते रहते हैं कि तू काफी लंबी है, जिसकी वजह से मैं अपनी हाइट को लेके थोड़ी सी कॉन्शियस हो गई हूँ, जिसकी वजह से मैंने बीच में हील्स पहनना बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया था. मैं बिल्कुल फ्लैट्स पे आ गई थी. But now I think I should embrace my height. So that's why I am thinking to bought heels. If I am tall, I am tall. ठीक है. चीज से मुझे इस टाइम पे काफी इनसिक्योर फील हो रहा है. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं उस चीज को अपनी पावर बना लो. उसमें like something 600 something like this. And this is the heels. A clear heel, as you can see. Now it's time for मेरा प्यारा सा फोन का कवर. Actually, I'm gonna show you. This is the फोन का कवर I have, but ये पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इधर वाली साइड से और सेम विद नीचे वाली साइड से इसका कलर बहुत डल होता जा रहा है. That's the reason I am getting another one. तो जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये सेकेंड अपना फोन केस लिया है. But it's kind of like disappointment from my side. I bought it like 200 rupees. It's also from Savannah. This is the cover I bought. It's looking good on camera, but it's not super good in real life. Graphic tees जो होती हैं, it's look something like that. Beads वगैरह के साथ में ये बना हुआ होगा. It's gonna look super cute. Something like that, but नहीं, ये इतना खास नहीं लग रहा है. So it's looking something like this. I know it's super duper cute, but I'm okay with it. It's looking cute. Okay, मेरा फोन इस टाइम इतना गंदा हीट कर रहा है ना कि I couldn't say anything right. Set of rings from Savannah and it cost me like 400 rupees. लेकिन हाँ, इसमें I got a issue कि भाई ये adjustable दिख रही हैं but ये adjust नहीं हो रही हैं. Something like this. This is the rings I bought it. It's like super chunky. This one is quite loose on me. Again, same width goes this one. They are adjustable but they are too solid to adjust. This is how they are looking. So this is going to be the end of the haul. और आप लोग मुझे बताने वाले हो आपको इन सारी चीजों में से कौन सी चीज आपको अच्छी लगी. I'm gonna give all the links in my description if anybody wanted to get it. Got 1 million views on my YouTube Shorts videos and I'm so grateful for those. ये मेरा पहला 1 million views था जो हिट करा है अभी तक शॉर्ट्स पे. And I'm so grateful कि this happened and I'm looking forward to my YouTube journey. I hope कि ये अच्छे तरीके से जाए and I'm also so grateful for all of the subscribers I have. You guys means a lot to me. Please let me know कि किस टाइप की आपको next video चाहिए ताकि मैं आप लोगों के लिए इस टाइप की next video लेकर आऊँ. It would be anything, a vlog, a challenge and anything. Bye for right now. I'm gonna see you in the next video and तब तक के लिए just stay hydrated, keep drinking lots of water.